on, sir.
You're doing a good job.
Yes, sir.
You're doing a good job.
Yes, sir.
You're doing a good job.
Yes, sir. Okay, no get belly. Now why they rub belly? What's it? Sorry, sir. Carry on, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
At ease. You can sit down.
So I feel sit down.
Yeah, you can sit down.
Okay, now my house now come. You can take your seat, sir.
You can sit down.
Take your seat, sir.
We dey demote people now.
Okay, sorry. No problem. Welcome, sir. Welcome.
When I want go constable.
Tuebi Abide, aka Tuale.
Yeah. Swag.
The first host for the late night show.
Yes.
Respect. And I be the ancestors for this particular show. Show nobody to hear, not the ancestors. Nobody to hear. And of course, Ife Salako will be our director. We'll talk about checkpoints, this wicked stage play will happen this weekend. Bad! Make I allow Oga Twale make it yarn every. Because I don't want to talk as a presenter of the show, not talk what we do for stage that day. But as a producer point of view, a director point of view, I'm just a actor coming along. You understand me now? You get me now. Don't come and ask my actor.
That line, I'm just an actor. Now police, that the way they think talk and go over that. I'm just a...
But you know, say, the thing that always surprise me about police, and I say, if let the police get dictionary.
For their
because they get the same line.
All of them are be back. That back will have no matter.
Hold it there.
Hey! Hold
it.
If you move, I move you.
Hold it. If you move, you move, I move you.
They put fear for your mind.
You move, I move you.
Trust me, man.
Bell up there.
If you move, I move you. One policeman stand for front of hey! Come on. You be like, now something go
You don't teach my job?
Little cash. No, but that thing, they can't talk that line to her. You want to teach
my job?
Oh, now you know past that. You want to teach us our job.
Okay.
You go there today. You get one picture where I see one time with police. They say they see near one man. The man they call. I say, if you like, call God.
Call God. Your people don't complain.
You may go station. No, but seriously, this particular stage play, like we talked yesterday on top of the night show, not be to hear the police them.
No.
That just to pinpoint some kind things. But we'll talk about the whole thing sharply. Tuebi Alpha now.
I did.
Welcome. And of course, our director, Fesalks.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir. Okay, Tuale, sharply. We'll talk about checkpoints. Like I introduced before earlier, I said, now you be the former... The former...
The one change cast.
Now.
Okay, I don't act again. No problem.
Wait. I hear that time. I say Tolu there around.
Tolu said there around.
Whether we use Tolu. No, you use Tolu.
Tolu no fish out.
You know what they know.
Tolu na R&B artist. You no fish out too much. The
only place we go post Tolu we go work na female hostel. Post.
Yes, exactly. And then goes where policeman, you give different girls. No, Tolu go work for that place.
No, you will spoil the image of the police.
It was spoil the image of the
police. We'll give her that blue uniform. You know, I mean the new one. And everybody behave inside. They behave like all of them go school now. They feel educated now. You understand? So just say, yeah, you're welcome. Okay. See that take.
The drop gun begin sing.
Easy that look be like. So if your drop gun, you say, okay. I belong to you. Because you see, boys, models what they do. I'm a police too.
I can police too.
I like the job.
I can cast for police.
But I mean, let's pardon it.
Well, any which way, you know. I know if some police they see me like this now, when they watch this show, now they say, "Wow, this is my future."
You know, but seriously, but police don't swag.
Swag on the eternal.
Police don't swag. Yesterday, you know, traffic called me for first stack. I go first stack. So I come to the Apple Junction side.
Yeah.
You know, so that one of my correct oga, I cannot call his name, but you know himself. One of my correct oga.
Yes.
Now I'm the area commander now for Area E.
Okay.
You know? So I couldn't pass that Apple Junction roundabout. You know, all those American dogs.
Yes.
All those films, the American dogs.
Those big one now.
Where we say that then they search, they find drugs, and all this.
Yeah.
You know, that's what they use now for that place.
For that place.
That's what they use. Police are not going to follow you struggle for that Apple Junction. They're going to tell you, once you just park, say, calm down. As you come and then hold the dog, then open your door, just leave the dog will enter the motor.
Yeah.
And that is there now.
Hey.
They check everything. They go, the dog will ransack your motor.
Eh?
Fine dogs. I couldn't say,
But are they
so this kind of police dog in Nigeria says.
Actually, I just give those dogs like 3-4 months. You always say, dog, you're a creepy person, but you're faint. You don't go smoke, so person look at you go, just give those dogs some months. If by the end of this year, they see they walk like that, before you know it, you just see dog, you're like,
No, the dog will tell the owner of the motor, Oga Bono, forget this thing.
Oga, please.
I bet me did.
Corporate. I know where you keep on. Just corporate.
but now checkpoint, quickly.
Checkpoint. Everywhere when I go, if I
Yeah.
mention checkpoint, people will just begin to laugh. And I go and say, why did they laugh?
Yes.
They say, we know say I won't talk so many things about the police. And I'm telling them, no, say, look, checkpoint, no be to, they play checkpoint, no be to run police down.
Yeah.
But better still to celebrate police. You know, and also to talk about so many things that happen for Nigeria from the perspective of the police officer.
Yeah.
You understand? And also make people get to see why the police they even react the way they react. Why did they handle some situations?
Issues.
Why did they handle the situations
That
like
way.
that? You know, they be human being too.
Yes.
Police get blood for body.
True.
You know, police don't be robots. You know, so sometimes we know they see them like that.
They just expect they just get everything correct.
Police for Nigeria be an alien. Be like some kind alien will come from Mars.
Police day here, other people day here.
You understand?
Yeah.
Like people come from Mars, they don't come again now. You know?
Yeah.
But, you know, so the play generally now to talk about some vices, some of the problems we would get for Nigeria.
Yeah.
And you know, one quote when I get for the play, they tell people, say, until we get to that point, we will get to check ourselves by ourselves. And only that time we'll get change. You understand?
So everybody
right now for Nigeria,
gets
my brother,
part to
everybody
play
for
for
this
the full
country,
team.
all of us get part to play for this country.
Yeah.
You know, for this country, you find out, say, some politicians now, when they come outside, I go talk this, and when they come outside, they don't say, we need to change this, we need to change things. And the people, they look like me. That look where they look at me, they look the things when you don't loot.
Yeah, true.
Things when you don't do, you know, from past. Now him now going to say, make we change and all of that,
Yeah.
you know. So at the end of the day, we try to talk with the play, checkpoint, now say, make all of us, until make all of us get to that point, we know, say, everybody, they contribute to the problem within this country. So until all of us realize that fact,
Yes.
then we go get through change.
Okay. We don't establish that fact now. Very, very important. Say we establish that fact. Now, to the director, because I know say now you they play the whole thing from head, from scripts now your work now to make sure say everything happen on top stage to pass the message and to bring to life within actually the producer or the writer originally, because actually now be the producer, now to be writer, and now to be actor. Marketer. Now the full.
My brother, don't say ticket.
You are in Nigeria. Publicist. You are in Nigeria.
Oh,
If they leave am, now go be guest for this. You go see actors being guest. Okay, but as director now, waiting you go talk at the end of the day based on the message for this particular play. Waiting you want try pass. I don't say Charlie don't already talk most of them, but now you have one throw that question too.
Well, make I start from waiting in talk because he say until that all of us contribute to make that change, the change no go happen. For instance, now you know say for like America now,
Yes.
all those old women. You know, if you do anything wrong for here, I don't say it several times. So you say when you do something wrong, now and police they come. Old women go come.
Yes.
But for that side, when you do something wrong, the old man will just look you. In fact, she don't look your side. Say you don't know say she they see you. You don't walk out they go. She don't hit house. There's somebody here that is something. And that woman feel be like a bad woman, that old woman. But you see, this old woman, now they make things the worst pass.
Yes, for this side.
Exactly, for this side, where they always they try protect crime, always encourage people to do the same thing where they say, you know. So until all of us talk to that old woman, before we go feel see what we actually, the Oyibo old woman, I mean, before all of us go feel see that change. So when they come and they say checkpoints and they play, I know say a very huge task because to start with, comedians don't talk about police.
True.
In fact, police now every day something with everybody.
Natural. All of us get our experiences.
So, my own challenge now, waiting else I won't do. Where people never see. Where we say when they come the theater, they say and they say, wow. Now first thing will come my mind with that. Because and as if they popular reach, checkpoints, police and all, now something will be say if you feel see again and again and again and again and again and because you know the story, know the end. The way we talk about police in the 90s, nobody so we talk about them in 5 years ago. The gist of police now, it don't enter another level. We just hear one now of dogs. Again.
So we now just wait, more just look as observers for this country. We like to observe, say,
He got so spoiled.
that one step, that's part of our problem.
That's part of our problem.
We say we need to change our mentality on so many things. You understand? So
I believe, say, I mean, so far with the help of yourself, Ogbolo.
Thank you,
ladies
baby.
and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Ogbolo. Fantastic, fantabulous actor.
Upcoming artist.
Forget it. Okay, that will be the future.
And of course, Twale himself.
Yes.
The 12 now, I don't work with them. Like I tell Ona when we will start the rehearsal, and now part of the things where everybody needs to know. I say once we start to develop this play, if we know they laugh, they roll for floor.
Yes.
Then
enough will work.
Enough will work.
Yes.
And I believe by now.
Well, no worry. When I come,
Just come.
I mean, my experience to again this laugh when they laugh now as the director to interpret it to now. Now see they just remember some of the craze when they did the job that they do for the play. So I mean,
we are not the gods.
Thank you.
We are the gods. We are the gods. We are the gods. You be waiting.
Shango.
Me, I be Ogu. No. I don't want to be Ogu. I go be Amadioha.
Don't be tribalistic.
Not to be tribalistic. When I'm not going to understand how to can't watch the play, you get. For me, the reason why I decided to also embark on this project now simply because it not just okay. See all of us go they talk about the ills for the society and so many other things. We say we get our own role to play for the whole thing, and at the same time, if we talk, nobody do anything, nothing will still change. So this now one of the parts I always just want to carry some of the things that way they happen for the country. Come out and say, "Can see you say we don't carry this whole thing." They come out as talk now. You get some people go talk, some people go sing and through music. Now they do and through play. You get so people go come watch and at the same time learn for the whole thing. So checkpoint, it happen this Saturday. So we'll just get those many parts of the
It
whole
happened this
gist.
Saturday for Muson Center.
Okay.
And at 2 shows. The first show at 3 o'clock.
All
The
right.
second one at 6 o'clock.
Okay.
It happened. But you know as they be now, you know, red carpet things, you know, and go start from Castle red carpet now we call them.
Okay.
You know, so because you know,
Some other brands they enter.
some other brands
their
they
whole
like
thing,
things,
yeah.
you know, so the red carpet now. You feel even just pick on the red carpet, come groove, go back.
Okay, because the red carpet yourself.
Because the kind
there.
settings where they the red
For
carpet
that
na
side.
groove. Na groove. Now say you dey go lounge, you just go there, you know, drinks there, small chops there, food there, you know, you just go there, just you know, arrange yourself and go back. You know, but we want make you no go back, make you enter inside the hall.
Exactly.
All right, so so that one will start from the first show on go start for 2 o'clock. The second show on go start from 5 o'clock.
Okay,
That's
so
for the red carpet.
first show how much?
The first show now 2,000.
Okay.
2,000 naira.
Reasonable price.
Reasonable
Not be
price.
say it's cheap.
Affordable.
Not be say affordable
because
is the
we want
one.
make everybody come.
Exactly.
Because the idea now say we don't write the story. We want preach. We want talk to people. So if we not gonna allow people come,
Yeah. You know, go make
people no
sense.
go come there. We say one ask swag. We can say ticket 10,000. Or one ask swag ticket 100,000. Or you want ask swag ticket table 2 million. My brother.
You know, go
no go
make
up,
sense.
no go
So
up,
second show now go be how
So the
much?
second show now.
In fact, police know they charge like that.
Police need to charge.
Now director. Second show 3,000.
Second show
3,000. First show 2,000.
2,000.
And that for Muson Center.
Yeah. Then we also get package since the festive period. You know,
Yes.
na the salad time.
Exactly.
You know, so we want make them open to the family show. Make people just come relax. You know. So we get a ticket for family.
Family of
family of 5.
5.
No be 5 family. Oh.
Not be 5 family. Oh.
5 family.
5 people.
5 people inside one family. That's mama, papa, Pikin, Pikin. That's 5.
Or if you're gonna like your
Pikin.
no, that shall be 5.
I'm making a shall be 5.
No, I'm saying I'm gonna be 5. We can carry like three other people for hand.
Join
For
you.
hand. Nigerians say we can do. I come with my child.
And that's one told me. He said I have 3 children. I said, okay, madam, how old are they? He said 1 is 1. The other one is not 1 yet. Then the other one is 3. I said, madam, that one is not 1 yet, and that one is not 2 yet. That one is not 2 yet, and that one is 3. You told them go buy ticket. Then that last one that is 1, you can laugh. He said, but I said that one is not 2 yet. I said, madam, it's going to be 2 before the show.
If you leave them, man, they all come free. Yeah. But at the end of the day, who they will see aside from the play itself. We don't talk
inside the play, first of all, we'll start for inside the play. Inside the play, of course, me, myself, and Ogbolo. Kelechi Nkoro.
Okay.
Kelechi Nkoro, sports analyst for radio. Kelechi Nkoro did here. Shegun Dada, very fantastic, theater graduate. Shade too, a musician. Shegun too, a musician too. Then Shade, very good, promising, actress for Nigeria. Shade the inside. Then Ismail. Ismail the inside. My very good friend. Literature teacher. So if they don't say in one come making con show in student here, how waiting drama really be. And then also Lawal Sherif, aka Skills. Yes, now news editor for Wazobia FM there and Cool FM Nigeria Info. Lawal Sef for inside
the whole play.
The play. Then
comedians.
We get other side attractions. Comedians with the Akpororo Day, Alibaba Day. Who again? Akpororo, Alibaba Yo, MC Abe, oh my God, Elenu, Shakara, Sheilo. Hey,
basically those
Shaggy.
No, not the first one.
No.
The musicians will go perform. Musicians
go perform. Case in fact 5 star.
5 star. No, 5 star. Casey, Harrison, and Skibby. Skibby. He has resurrected from the dead. You understand? Lazarus has come back to life. Skibby will be there live. So if one scam touch her like this.
Yes,
it's alive.
Take some pumps.
You go no saying they're alive. So Skibby
go there. Pepenazi day.
Eva.
Coca go there. Eva go there. Young Six.
Solid Star.
Go there. Solid Star of course go there. Niniola go there. Hey, they play to you.
We don't get 5 star. That one.
N6 stadium. Okay. Who again? They're plenty.
All right. So now grooving day. We won't even to go into too much of the whole thing because time no there on our side. Okay, but anyway, for those of now where they within Lagos, some people say they won't come from outside Lagos. I beg now festive period come outside. We just come flex the whole salon on Saturday. You understand? Come Muson Center and we'll groove together. You can see the night father on top stage, and of course, Twebi, I'll be there, some other crazy people. Now, crazy for the whole thing. You go enjoy the whole play. You get me now. Any final thing you want to tell people before we could come out for?
Okay. What thing I want to talk we say, make people come because they are not fun. And one other thing I want to talk about, this whole package what they put together.
Bam.
Now, very fantastic people now come together to put them together. Okay. Very fantastic people from the crew from everybody when they involve, so make them expect to see nothing less than
the best.
The best. Nothing less than the best.
All right, so like we talked earlier, Shao, no one use the opportunity to rubbish police, so no one just bring out some of the gist for inside the whole P, and then go know how the whole thing go take go. All right, so after this particular one now, they carry Tolu enter here, so don't forget Tolu one kind, and that's it. Means go and explain the whole thing for the whole level. Say, if you are a police, what will you do? You get me now. All right, so Twebi, thank you very much. Twale,
thank you.
And my able director. Thank you very much. Sure, sir. If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not done.